till the end if you want your makeup to look like a filter in real life. Have you ever wondered how some people's makeup looks so flawless, so silky, and so smooth that they look like they have put a filter in their real life? Have you ever thought that what some girls are doing, that their makeup looks like a filter in real life? If your answer to even one of these questions was yes, watch this video till the end. Hi guys, my name is Saba and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I want to do a makeup that looks like a filter in real life and in my opinion looks good on everyone, and every girl has to try it even at least for once. It's so classy and chic. Let's just quickly start the video. Okay, so first I use this Clinique Moisture Surge to just prep my skin. And then I'm gonna use this NARS primer and I don't put primer on all of my face. I only put on my T-zone and my cheeks. Okay. Then I bought a new foundation. I bought this Persian foundation. It's Inlay Natural Beauty, I think. I just wanted to buy something new. Tried it at the store and it was actually really good, so I was like, okay, let me buy it. It's in shade Golden Sand 30 and it was really affordable. It smells so good. I love the smell. Concealer for the first time. It's in shade 3W1 and I'm gonna apply another layer at the end of my makeup. Then I bought also a new bronzer from the same brand, Inlay. I hate these brushes, like they are so stupid, I don't understand them. Use a brush like this. Eyelids. Okay, for my eyes, I use this Revolution eyeshadow palette, and I take a brush like this, and I take this dark, the black one. Use this color. I use this one. Mascara, my eyebrow gel, this Laura Mercier setting powder. It looks like a filter. Okay. I'm gonna use this Idun lipstick. Then Charlotte Tilbury highlighter. on top. I love it. It's so chic. And this is it. This is my filter look like makeup that I love. This is it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.